I'll replace the wheels on a Honda HRR series self-propelled mower. Check your owner's manual to find the part numbers for the wheels, or locate the tag with the model number and search for parts online. The part number for my wheels has changed. I bought a set of 4 OEM wheels on eBay for $43.41. Use a 12mm wrench or socket to remove the rear wheel. Clean any grease or dirt off of this gear. Apply some white lithium grease to the cogs. Be careful not to cross thread this. I had to jiggle it around a little bit to get it to line up. You should be able to turn it with your hands. If you're not being able to turn the bolt with your hands, then you probably have a cross thread and you're going to have to jiggle things around till they line up. Ideally, you'll want to use a torque wrench, tighten to 18 to 20 foot-pounds. A 12mm wrench or socket to loosen the front wheel. And tighten to 18 to 20 foot-pounds. And if you don't have a torque wrench, you just have to snug it up. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.